Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Booze News. I'm your host, Dylan Garcia. This week we've got Neil Pedrick from Chowbacci here. We're going to be making some mint juleps in lieu of the Arkansas Derby coming up. Now, typically you would want to make a mint syrup in advance, but if you fail to do so and you still want to enjoy your julep, here's how you can make one on the fly. So we're going to start off with some fresh mint. We're going to add a little bit of simple syrup and then a shot of our bourbon. We're going to go with the Basil Hayden.
Good choice. Very, very smooth bourbon. Did you know that they actually use 1,000 pounds of mint during the Kentucky Derby and 60,000 pounds of ice, and they sell 120,000 mint juleps?
That is a lot of juleps.
Yes, definitely. The rye in that will really bring out a good flavour.
And then we're just going to top it with a little bit of club soda. And then we are going to strain it over crushed ice. Enjoy.
Where's mine?
So if you don't have any Basil Hayden laying around, we would also recommend using Woodford Reserve or Gentleman Jack.
Here's another interesting fact for you. Did you know that the mint julep has been the official drink for 100 years for the Kentucky Derby?
Really?
Yes. And I still have no drink.
Well, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Booze News. We'll see you next week. And Neil, you didn't really think I forgot about you, did you?
No.